And this is my next lawnmower find. This is another moving sale. This is a Troy Bilt 21 inch. This is the 550 EX series engine, 140cc. I think this is called the Model TB110, even though it's not showing on here. Looks like it's a 2012 or 2013 model. It looks to be in pretty good condition. It starts. It just needs cleaning up. Very small yard, lots of grass clippings have built up under it. And also I'll show you there's some rope wrapped around the blade adapter. Ready start. This is where I saw the engine looks like a 2012. Check the air filter here. Oh boy, it really needs to be replaced. And let's look under the blade here. Overhead valve engine. And look at all that. Need to clean all that stuff off. I could tell it was shaking when it was running, and that's the reason why. Need to clean all this stuff out underneath. And then I can check the blade as well. Not sure it's been really cared for that much. Did not get a side shoot with this. Let me show you a little bit more about this Troy Bilt. Here's a model and serial number of this Troy Bilt. A little more about the engine here. And it certainly needs cleaning up where the bag is back here. And the bag is in good condition. Definitely has been used, but no holes. And let's check the oil in this Troy Bilt. And it looks like it's clean and appears to be about full. And did not get a side shoot with this. Let's just check underneath here. Oh, it is just caked with grass clippings. So we're gonna have to clean that out. And here's the wheels. Each pair of wheels has a lever to adjust up or down. Front as well. And these wheels all look in good condition here. And let's see how much gas is in here. Oh, it's almost dry. Let me add some gas to this. And they also gave me a very pink in color gas container with this Troy Bilt. So let's see if we can give this Troy Bilt a start here. Got some high grass. Here we go. There we go. Trying. There we go. It's shaking a little bit because of that rope that I need to get off that blade adapter. needs a little bit of work, mostly cleaning up.